What's up guys, it's time for another bonus video. Today we're going to try to get this toy soldier up and running and get it location ready. Hopefully you guys enjoy the show. Don't forget to like and subscribe. What's up guys, Matt here with Galaxy Games 843 back with another video. Today's video, we're going to be working on this toy soldier claw machine. If you recall correctly, we got it from that arcade warehouse in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. So it's got a few issues that we're going to go over and we're going to show you what all is happening here. I've kind of gotten it to a point where it's kind of functioning, but I'll tell you exactly what we need to do to get it going all the way 100%. So let's take a look inside and see what all it's doing. All right guys, here we are inside the machine. Now, a couple things I want to point out. So first and foremost, I don't know if you can see inside or not, but basically it's got a support up here. Let me push that back just a little bit. See this support up here. Can you see that on camera? I don't know, let me try to get a better angle. There we go. Can you see that support on camera? It is way wide for this machine. Basically, it won't let the trolley here move all the way to the left. So that's one issue we're having. The other issue is part of this assembly here. It seems like it's missing something because this ring right here should be on top of this switch. So that way when it goes up and down, it opens and closes the switch. So those are the two problems we're having. Let me kind of show you where we're at. So let me load $1 in and I'll show you what happens. All right, so everything like this is working. It goes right, kind of slow, but it works. It goes left, it'll come back, it'll go forth. So everything moves like it should. But when we drop the claw, because this is the way it is, let's go ahead and set that down. So it doesn't go all the way down, then it snaps, goes back up, and it won't return home because it won't go all the way over. So I think we need to replace some parts here in the gantry system. So let's talk about that in just a second here. All right guys, here's my table of parts, and as you can see, here's the existing gantry. Like I said, the support beam right here is way too wide for the machine. So here is another gantry I have from a machine that was salvaged. I think there was a fire or something like that. So when they sprayed all that fire protectant stuff, or like fire extinguishers, it corroded a bunch of the metal. So we're going to use a lot of this for parts. So you can see this one, I don't know, can you see on camera? I'm bringing this over here. This one right here has a much shorter support beam. So I think we can utilize that support beam for this gantry. And then I'm thinking we might be able to use some of these pieces to replace what we're missing, or what we should have over here for this piece. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to move some parts around and see if that can't fix the problem. Let me go and get that taken care of, and we'll kind of check back in after I do some work. So let's do that. All right guys, it's the next day and I've done some work to this toy soldier claw machine. So basically what I've done so far, I replaced this kind of stabilizer bar here. We had this larger one that was right here on that machine. It was obviously the wrong one. So we replaced that one, and we also did some work here in the actual cylinder that activates this switch. Now, it's working for the most part, but we're still having an issue that I'm not quite sure how to figure out yet. I think it has to do with this swing arm right here. So this swing arm, once the claw drops, it should also drop. And then when the claw hits the bottom, the tension should push it back up, which should activate the switch. And basically that's not happening. So let me show you, let's give it a test credit here. So as you can see, it goes right, it goes left, it comes back to me, it goes to the back. And let's go ahead and drop it. See how that arm doesn't do anything? And the claw closes about halfway down. So obviously we still have an issue here, and I think it has to do with the swing arm. Now basically, you know, I know a lot about claw machines, I know a lot about fixing claw machines, but that is one thing I've never had to deal with before. I think there's too much tension here on this, and I'm not sure if it's the spring or if it's, you know, some of these wheels or pins or whatever. I don't know. So I'm going to throw it out there, guys. If you know kind of about the tension of this swing arm, let me know in the comments what you've done to fix that in the past, because as of right now, I need to go do some more research. Everything else is working good. It's just it doesn't go all the way down, and it closes at the halfway mark. And I apologize for the gameplay music. I know it's kind of annoying. So, all right, let's go ahead and drop it. So arm doesn't go down. About halfway down it closes, and then it's going to return home. There we go. Now, I do notice the left and right motor is a little bit slower, so I might need to replace that motor, but I really think there's something with this swing arm right here. I don't know if you can see that good. Some of the things I've done, I've taken the string all the way out to make sure it's long enough. I really think it has something to do with the swing arm though, because there's too much tension on it. When I do drop it, I can pull it down, but it doesn't always work. Let's try that one more time. Let's see if I can pull it down. Let me get another test credit going here. And this time what I'm going to do, I'm going to see if I can pull down that tension on that swing arm. And see, it goes all the way right actually to close immediately. So what it's doing is it's hitting that switch right there. So again, I'm not going to be able to fix this one tonight because I'm not sure what the next step is. If you guys know, let me know in the comments if you've ever had this issue, and we'll see what we can do. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this bonus video. I know we didn't get the machine completely fixed. I'm going to be doing some more research and hopefully, like I said, getting that error, whatever's happening there, getting that figured out. So again, if you know kind of what the issue is or how I can fix it, put it in the comments, let me know. I've never said I knew everything about claw machines, but I know some things, and you've seen me fix multiple claw machines on the channel. So again, hopefully you guys enjoyed this bonus video. Maybe we'll make another video once we get it up and running, after I do some research and figure out that problem. But with that said, we're gonna wrap this video up right here. So once again, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really does help out the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is Matt with Galaxy Games 843. We'll see you next time.